Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. My name is Devin. I am the DIY lawn coach. If this is your first time here, if you will, please hit that subscribe button and give me a like, and I would certainly appreciate it. So today guys, I've got a really quick video for you. So one of the best things that you can do for your lawn is to fill in bare spots. So I was walking the lawn a little bit earlier today, walking around, and I saw some bare spots. So I'm going to bring you guys with me, and we're going to show you how we fill those in. Tools we're going to use today is a garden weasel. You can buy these at Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon. I've actually got a link on my website, thediylawncoach.com. Check it out there. I do get a little bit of a commission back on that, so I would greatly appreciate if you would support me there. And then something else that I always keep with me is a bucket of just some extra grass seed, same grass seed that I use in the lawn, which is a GCI Turf type tall fescue, the spreader elite variety. And then I also keep a bucket of some black cow as well, the topsoil. And so we're going to get after it today, guys. Real quick video. If you will, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and here we go. Thanks. All right, guys, so we are in my backyard. I'm underneath the pine tree. And as you can see, I've got some bare spots that I need to fill in. So like I said earlier, one of the best things that you can do to help your lawn is to fill in these bare spots. So underneath this tree, if we leave the bare spots, what'll happen is this gives an opportunity for weeds to take over, and it's just unsightly. So we are in the 1st of April. I have put my pre-emergent down. So we can't just throw down grass seed. We were going to have to do something to disrupt that vapor barrier that we have down with our pre-emergent. So that's kind of where this garden weasel comes in. So we're going to take the garden weasel, we're going to work it back and forth. Hey, we're going to kind of break up this soil and give some good seed to soil contact. Going to loosen up the dirt here. We got some debris in here we want to get rid of. Okay. So then after that, after we've kind of broken up the ground really good, like I said, I keep a bucket of extra grass seed always on hand. And then we're just going to come in with a little bit of grass seed. Just like that. A little heavy, that's okay. And then we got to cover it. Covering it does a couple different things. Number one, it helps retain the moisture for the seed. It gives us really good seed to soil contact, which is vital. And then also it keeps the birds and the squirrels from eating my grass seed. So we're going to take a little bit of that black cow that we had. And we're just going to lightly cover that grass seed with some topsoil. And then the last thing we're going to do, we're going to come back with our garden weasel one more time. And we're going to lightly work that into our soil. And then we're going to keep this moist for the next 4 or 5 days until we see germination. Then we can return our normal watering schedule. So we just want to walk around the lawn anytime we see a bare spot, fill those bare spots. And then over the course of time, throughout the year, as you continue to do this, you'll have a beautiful thick lawn. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this quick video today. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, send it to your friends. Appreciate you watching. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram. Have a great day, and I can't wait to see you guys in the lawn.